Hello Camberley family, and welcome back to part 2 prefixes. So just remember what a prefix is. It's a word which we add to the beginning of another word to change its meaning. Today's prefixes are sub, inter, pre, non, and super. Let's take a look at some examples. When we add sub to the beginning of a word, it means under. Let's have a look. Merge, submerge. Conscious, subconscious. Side, subside. Total, subtotal. Title, subtitle. Liminal, subliminal. Missive, submissive. And some sentences. I dropped my phone in the sea and now it's totally submerged. My subconscious mind dreams while I sleep. Now, let's look at inter. When we add inter to the beginning of a word, it means between. Let's look at some examples. City, intercity. National, international. Mediate, intermediate. Act, interact. Change, interchange. Mission, intermission. Net, internet. Let's look at some sentence examples. The internet has revolutionized the world. My English level is intermediate. Moving on now to pre. When we add pre to the beginning of a word, it means before. Let's have a look at some original words and how they change with adding the prefix pre. Mix, premix. Fix, prefix. View, preview. Caution, precaution. Vent, prevent. Cook, pre-cook. Pay, prepay. And let's look at a couple of sentences. I like to watch the preview of a movie to decide if I want to watch the rest of the film. You need to prepay for your class before your lesson. Next up is non. When we add non to the beginning of a word, it means not. So let's have a look. Fat, non-fat. Essential, non-essential. Flammable, non-flammable. Living, non-living. Perishable, non-perishable. Renewable, non-renewable. Recyclable, non-recyclable. Let's look at some sentences. Unfortunately, most plastics are non-recyclable. Pillows are made of non-flammable material, so they don't catch fire. And finally, super. When we add super to the beginning of a word, it means over or above. Let's have a look. Size, supersize. Bug, superbug. Human, superhuman. Impose, superimpose. Power, superpower. Star, superstar. Normal, supernormal. Let's look at some sentence examples. The photographer has superimposed a sunset into his cloudy grey picture. Sometimes I wish I had superpowers and I could fly. Well, that's a wrap for part 2 prefixes. Keep an eye out for part 3. And now's time for you to practice. Have a search, look for some of those new words and try and create some sentences. If you don't know about Cambly, it's an amazing platform. It works 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, in all time zones. so you can connect with a teacher at a time that suits you and your learning. So why not take a trial and join today? Okay, take care from me, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye-bye.